how to create tasks in Asana. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now it's actually super easy to do. All you basically want to do is go to Asana. I'm currently in the home page and I'm going to select one of my workspaces. Right over here, I am now in the board view. You can also switch to the list view, but it's just very easy. So I currently have one little section over here. So I'm going to add one called tasks and then working on it and then done. I'm going to delete this one real quick. So now I have 3 different sections, and over here I can simply click on add task. So if I click on there, I can just call it, for example, YouTube video 1. Then also over here, I can assign this to someone or assign it to me. Then also add a date. So the due date is, for example, the 22nd. And then, yeah, it is right over there. So I can add another one, video 2, assign it to myself, and then add one to like the 24th. And then that is basically it. So that's how you can create tasks super easy. You can also see a cool list with the dates as well. You can also add multiple fields and stuff. So yeah, that's how you can easily create tasks in Asana. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, let me know in the comments, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.